Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video I will tell you, like, if you have got a warning like your account has been temporarily locked, so what to do in this case and how to fix this. And the next thing is, if you have logged in multiple account in that single Instagram app, then how to switch from that lock account to a different account when you get this type of warning. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to do this. So here you can see, this is my Instagram account and I got this warning: your account has been temporarily locked. We detected suspicious activity in your Instagram account and have been temporarily locked it as a security. Okay, so what you need to do, so first thing, why I got this warning, because this account I have logged in one application from where I was downloading stories, post, Instagram. So here you can see I'm getting this warning. Okay, so it was because I have logged in my account in any third-party application. So okay, so this is my testing account, not a primary or main account. So I will suggest you not to use your main account in any such third-party application for downloading story, post or something. Okay, so how to fix this? When you will click on continue, so you will get a two option: email and phone number. So for example, if I will select the email, then here I will receive a OTP in that email address. So you need to enter that email address and click on confirm. Okay, so here your account will be verified and now that warning will be removed. But for example, in some case, for example, let's take this case. This, I don't have access of this Gmail account now, but I have logged in more account in this Instagram application. So how to switch back to that account? Here you can see, if I will go back, I'm not getting any option to switch to my that account. So what you need to do, I will tell you. First of all, go to disconnect the Wi-Fi, disconnect mobile data and close this application, Instagram application. Re-log in it, go to home. Now go to up icon and select the another account. Okay, so now I will turn on my Wi-Fi. So this is my different account. Here you can see I am able to use this account. Okay, so I can switch between any account, but not this HiTech Talk one. So this account is currently locked. I need to verify. So I have already explained you how to verify that. Okay, so I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.